Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Define for your protection issue on CashApp. When CashApp displays payment failed for your protection, it means the system has flagged the transaction as potentially risky or suspicious, and they are blocking it to safeguard your account and funds. So how you can fix it? It's very easy thing to do. For this, first open CashApp on your device and log into your account. Then you will see here several options here. From here, select update or activity options. From now here, you will see a red signal. If add new device log into your account, just tap on review from here. Then here you will see verify login activity. That is in the detect the login from a new device. You will see two options: looks good, logout device. If you verify that it is your device, then you can select looks good, and if you didn't recognize it, then just select logout device. And that's how you can fix this issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.